A new generation of villas community is now emerging in Dubai to meet the growing demand for high-end homes, bringing with them modern designs, lifestyle-driven layouts, and innovative concepts. At the moment, villas make up to about 15% of Dubai's housing supply, and projection shows this figure is going to be falling around 9% until 2027. For buyers and investors, this simply means there are not enough villas into the market to meet the high demand, which is why their value continues to rise. In fact, high-end villas in particular have seen steady appreciation, with some properties gaining over 35% in the last 2 years. These aren't just numbers on the paper, they reflect real families upgrading their lifestyle and investors securing their return. One of the most talked about launches is the Grand Polo Resort by Emaar in Dubai South. Spread across 5.5 million square meters, the community is built around a polo field. You have stables and large open spaces. With 22 residential clusters that will eventually house over than 5,500 residences. Unlike many projects in Dubai South, this one is designed around a lifestyle rather than just giving you a housing. With connectivity from the Emirates Road, you are right next to world's largest airport, which is going to be Al Maktoum International Airport, and hopefully this will be completed within 8 years. Homes here range from 3 to 5 bedrooms with large plots exceeding 8,000 square feet and direct access to the polo inspired amenities. Villas here are starting from 6.2 million dirhams, and early buyers in phase 1 are already seeing gains of 20 to 25% before the handover. This shows how lifestyle-led projects can create real added value beyond just location and the pricing. Another standout is the Acres by Miras, a villa community set in Dubai land. The designs here are centered around nature. With wide green spaces, you have swimmable lagoons and low density layouts that prioritize privacy and open living. Villas range from 3 to 7 bedrooms starting from 6 million dirhams and goes up to 20 million dirhams, with large mansions with a plot size of over 11,000 square feet. Sizes here are starting from 3,900 square feet for a 3-bedroom villa with layout that emphasizes on space and luxury. The location is very well connected. You are 20 minutes away from downtown and Business Bay and almost 25 minutes away from the Dubai International Airport. It comes with a payment plan of 65-35 and the handover is expected to be in 2028 in the first quarter. The Acres is designed for families seeking both comfort and exclusivity in nature setting. Then we have a community that is very much closer to the city center. Nadal Shiba Gardens by Miras is fastly becoming one of Dubai's most attractive family-friendly luxury community. Situated right next to Maidan, you are just 12 to 15 minutes away from downtown and Business Bay. In this community, you are getting 3-bedroom townhouses as well as the 4 to 7-bedroom villas, with sizes starting from 2,700 square feet all the way to 6,700 square feet. The payment plan goes like 60% you have to pay during construction and 40% at the time of handover. And the handover is expected to be Q1 of 2028. Talking about the exact location, you are on Al Ain Road, which gives residents an easy access to the Maidan Racecourse, downtown and even Dubai International Airport. The best thing about Nadal Shiba Gardens is you are having a luxurious living right at the center of the city. Another project worth highlighting is the Valley by Emaar, which offers one of the most feasible standalone villas option within 20 kilometers of downtown Dubai. Here you are getting 4-bedroom villa with a built-up area of 3,700 square feet that is priced around 4.9 million dirhams. With the handover is to be expected in 2029. Emaar's earlier villa cluster in the valley was launched at much lower prices and is set to be handover in 2026. This makes the valley very much attractive for the families who might have been overpriced at Dubai Hills. But still, you are getting all of the amenities, you are centrally connected. The project is set on Dubai Al Ain Road, where you are getting connectivity from 20 to 25 minutes of downtown Dubai, and we are talking about a distance of 25 minutes from Dubai International Airport. This community itself spans over 2 square kilometers, with over 4,500 units offering everything from townhouses to villas. It is designed around a family-friendly living, where you are getting 33 plus amenities, including a sports village, a town center, a golden beach, cycling and jogging tracks, adventure play areas, and much more. All of these amenities are going to be at your walking distance. With pricing still around 1400 dirham per square feet, the valley feels like you are buying Dubai Hills but 5 years ago. This time you are getting much better amenities. Finally, we have Palm Jebel Ali, one of the most ambitious projects by Nakheel. Twice the size of Palm Jumeirah, this man-made island is set to redefine waterfront luxury livings, where you are having a mix of luxury villas, hotels, resorts, retail centers, and expensive green spaces. After being on hold for over a decade, construction has started again in 2024 with a focus on sustainability, smart technology, and aligning Dubai's 2040 vision. The design of the island includes a trunk with 16 fronts and a crescent water break, offering uninterrupted views and a direct access to the sea. It is located just 10 minutes away from Sheikh Zayed Road, but the best thing is Dubai Airport is also going to move to Al Maktoum International Airport, where you are going to be around 20 to 25 minutes away from Palm Jebel Ali. Villas here are starting from 20 million dirhams for a 6-bedroom and for larger mansions, it can reach up to 35 million dirhams. The payment plan is 80-20, 80% you have to pay during construction and 20% at the time of handover. For ultra luxury buyers, Palm Jebel Ali is not just a property, but a statement of prestige and lifestyle. If we summarize things up, Dubai villa market is evolving rapidly, with a limited supply and growing demand, ensuring high returns. From lifestyle-driven communities like the Grand Polar Resort to ultra-luxury destinations like Palm Jebel Ali, the opportunity range from smart family living to niche exclusivity. For investors and end users, the message is pretty much clear. Villas in Dubai are not just the homes, they are a long-term asset and definitely which are growing in demand, which are outperforming the market. That's it for now. If you need to ask anything about the villas or you want to invest here in Dubai real estate market, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, it's goodbye.